Hello, Uggies Worldwide. I'm Dave Kassler, amateur radio call sign KE0OG, here with another episode of Ask Dave. Today's question comes from Dons of Art, KC0DWZ, and he is frustrated by his radio. He doesn't tell me what his radio is, but I was hoping you could help. I suffer from an intermittent, not all the time, oscillating noise source that is most prevalent on 40 meters, but can affect 80 through 15. It is not time of day dependent, and I have shut down the mains to my home and it still appears, so we put it on a battery. I have 12 megabytes. I have a video, a big long video, I could send you, but the effect is it blocks out many signals. It's getting spurious emissions. No solar panels nearby, no high voltage power lines, seems to come out of nowhere. If I ground the antenna input to the radio, it goes away, so it isn't an artifact of the radio. Just curious if you have any suggestions. Well, there are a million things that could be going on here. The first is that it really does come from the radio itself. Okay, if it comes from the radio itself, what you want to do is like a factory reset, because it could have gone into what do they call it, an unpredictable state where it is creating this kind of noise for you. So a factory reset would help. If you've still got it, the next thing I'd look at is a power supply. If you have tried this just on the battery without a power supply, then you'll know it's not the power supply. But if it is, many power supplies are switching power supplies. It could be that there's a loose wire in there that is causing the filter, which filters the output of the supply, to be bypassed. Okay, and you can go in and look in your power supply and see if there's something come loose or nearly loose. Check that the circuit boards are properly inserted. Obviously, do this after you've unplugged mains power and so on. You can look at what else in your station might be running. Fluorescent lamps can create odd, weird noises like this. But you say that it goes away when you short the RF input to the transceiver, which almost leads me to think that it could actually be generated somewhere in the front end. So try that factory reset and see if it makes it go away. Otherwise, get another radio. Borrow another radio. Have a friend come over with his or her radio and poke around with that and see if they're both hearing the same noise. If they are, it's coming from something local. Intermittent things could be things turned on and then off. Intermittent things in the house include the water heater, which might be electric, which will go on and off. The refrigerator, which goes on and off. Although you say you've killed the mains power to your entire house, and you still have the same problem. So check it with another radio. Check out that power supply. Do a factory reset on the radio. And let me know how that works. Something in there should help you. So there you have it. Until we next meet, 73.